Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by to check out this video. Today I want to share with you my solution for a quick release camera strap. This is something that's not going to cost you much, just a couple of bucks. You can pick up the parts on Amazon or Home Depot, very inexpensive, and it works great. I don't want you to think this is me saying that I don't like any of the other quick release camera straps on the market from like Peak Design, Small Rig, or Black Rapid. I think those are all great, and if you want to spend the money and buy those, please do. This is just something that I came up with because I wanted to just see if I could find something around my house that worked great, that solved the problem, and this definitely does. So let me show you how this works. So it's based around these small S-bean or micro clips that you can get online at Amazon or Home Depot for a couple of bucks, and they lock. So right now you can see it's in the unlocked position and it just opens freely, but then you just turn this plastic clip here and then now it's locked. So you just clip one end onto the end of your camera strap, you tie it the way you normally would, and then you just take the other ends and just clip it onto your camera. And now your camera is locked and it's secure and it's not going anywhere. Now I've been using this system for the last couple of years on my Sony A7 III, which is what I'm shooting on right now, and I've never had a problem. These clips are rated for 3 pounds each, and the weight of the Sony body with a fairly heavy 24-70 2.8 lens comes out to 3.4 pounds. So if you have 2 of these, this equals 6 pounds, and this is more than enough to hold a full frame body with a fairly heavy lens. So you don't have to worry about this not being rated. It works great. I've never had any problems. Now, one of the things that I like about this system versus, say, the Peak designs is that you don't have anything hanging off the edge of the camera. And when you're not using your strap, that can be a little annoying if you want to access some of the doors on the side of the camera, or where the cards are or the batteries are. It's really annoying just to kind of have those in the way. Sometimes they also get in the way of a gimbal. If you're trying to operate the gimbal, these things are just flopping around and it's just really annoying. There are ones that go on the bottom and those work great too, but just for my style of shooting, I prefer to have the anchor points here, because if I'm doing some handheld work, I just feel that the camera is much more secure when it's mounted here as opposed to on the bottom. Let me know in the comments if this is something that you would consider trying on your camera, if you've already tried it, if you think it's a cool solution. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one.